Hello, my name is Tom Brown. Chris Lewis and I have been maintaining the Underwater Hockey Tourists website for well over a decade and just launched a new UI recently. I'd like to show you how you can update the site so you can help people find underwater hockey all around the world. First, a quick intro to the site. From the front page, you can navigate by picking a place, name, and as you can see, each place page may have some general information such as this link to the official club, to the official organization for this area, Queensland, and then once you get down to the city level, hopefully you can see clubs. Here's the Tweed Gold Coast Freedivers, and then 2 swimming pools listed in this place. You can also navigate around by clicking on the map on any of these pages, and from there you can zoom out, see all the pools around the world where people play hockey, and click on one and it takes you to the page for the place that has that pool. Another useful page on the site is List All, which just lists every place, club and pool. So if you want to quickly do a text search in your browser, you can do that to find a club if you know the name of the club. And there's the About page, which has some information about how to update, and a link to the editor guide and the source code for the website on GitHub. So, on to editing. When you first come to the site, you're not logged in. Look for the sign in link here and click that. If you're logged into GitHub already, then you'll be immediately signed in. If not, you'll be prompted to log into GitHub or create a GitHub account. And after you've signed in, and once you have got editor permission, then when you go and look at the page for a particular place, you'll see this new link, Edit Record, with a little pencil, and you'll also see Add a place, club or pool to the current place page. So let's go make a change. So I'm going to go to the GitHub site, open that in a new tab, and look in Issues. Here's a field report from somebody out in the field of underwater hockey clubs. Click on Field Report. There's only one right now. Let's go and see what they have to say. So they're talking about Connecticut, so let's go do a search for Connecticut in the List All. This is the Connecticut page as it is right now. Clubs, barnacles. So the barnacles, go back to all of them. So the barnacles are here in Greenwich and Stratford. Replace Greenwich with Cheshire. Okay, so here's the Greenwich pool, and I guess they're saying that remove the Greenwich pool and add this new Cheshire pool. So let's go and add a pool, and here's the pool address, and the person who reported this kindly provided a link to Google Maps, so we'll load that as well. There's some logins that are not displayed in the correct place. So I did a search here for the pool address. That brought me to here. Let's see how that maps to what they have in the link that the user sent, Cheshire Community Pool. So it looks like it's about there. Let's go back to where I was doing the editing. So yeah, that's in the right spot. So let's add a pin. Boom, right there. The name of this pool is Cheshire Community Pool. And that is the name. And then short name is just something that will appear in the URL. Let's make it all letters. Markdown. We'll put the address in there. If you're unsure about Markdown syntax, you can do a web search. You'll find tips on how to do markdown syntax. Here's some guides. So we've added a point, we've given it a name, we've added some text there. Let's save it. Successfully saved. Okay, now let's go back to Greenwich and Stratford. And here we have Cheshire Community Pool. Excellent. The reporter said replace Greenwich. So we want to remove the Greenwich pool now. To do that, I'm going to use the admin interface. So we take, which is kind of hidden. If you click on edit pool here, but we don't want to edit, we want to delete. And you can do that by looking at, click on pool to get to all the places, and then filter lets you filter the pools that are displayed on this page. Here's the pool in Greenwich that we want to delete. Are we sure we want to delete? Yes. Record was deleted. Let's go back and look again. And it's gone. And then there was some other information here. Barnacles. They've given us new contact information here. Let's copy that. And then click on edit for the barnacles. So they have make this a little bigger. So here's the old information, which we're going to delete, and then I think that's pretty obvious that it's Meetup and Facebook, so we'll take that out. Don't need to put the address twice, so let's take that out. So there's a little preview down there. Those look good. We'll add a little note in here. Date. The 26th, I think. Six. Save. Let's go back again. Oh, there's no links. That didn't work. So I think what we need to do is add. That seems. Let's see if that does the trick. Save. Yay! Now we have barnacles. let's make one little change here and take the address out of the title because it looks a little silly. So we'll take this address here and put it in the markdown instead within the name. That. There we go. Made some changes. So let's reply to thank you for the update. Please reopen if you'd like more changes to close issue. Done. And so that's how to make a change to the Underwater Hobby Tourist.